In this last example, you're asked to find the equation for a line that's parallel to the line with a given equation through a given point. So this problem actually seems like it might require a lot of work, but it doesn't, because this equation, this one's actually already in point slope form. Y minus the y coordinate equals m times x minus the x coordinate. So I already can pinpoint what the slope is. And I need a parallel line, so that's the same slope. And through this point, 0, -1, this is a special point though. When it has x coordinate 0, this is the y-intercept. So B here is -1. So now all I have to do is write down the equation of the line. Y equals mx plus b, where m has the same, is the same, so -1/2 x plus b, so plus -1 or -1. There's a different way you could do this. If you're like not feeling confident about recognizing the slope in this form, you could have also alternatively just converted this into the form that you like best. So simplify y plus 4 equals -1/2 x minus 3/2, and then subtract 4 from both sides. Y equals -1/2 x minus 3/2 minus 4, and then recognize that like you don't even actually have to do this calculation. Of course you could. I think it's like a -11/2. Oh, I forgot to write the x. Yeah, it's -11/2, but it doesn't even matter. What you're looking for is the coefficient of x here, which is -1/2.